Hey, YouTube, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to go over some of the notification that some of the viewers are having problem with. They're saying something about their text message or their email is not coming through. So today we're going to go over some of the how to turn on and off the notification with their certain apps. So first of all, you want to go ahead and then go to your Samsung. Let me try to do the recording real quick. All right. So you want to go into your Samsung folder. You want to go search under the Galaxy wearable. Okay, it will tell you about the percentage of your watch, how many gigabyte left, and then your RAM. If you click on the RAM, you want to be sure don't close your message or your phone or your contact or your email or your weather. Okay, because it says to improve performance, free up memory by stopping background apps. So you stop those, then it might not give you notification later. So if you want, you could go scroll down and then you will go to notification right here. So I'm going to just show you real quick about my watch. If you turn left, this is all the notification that I have. Well, I read it earlier, so now I got deleted. So you want to go ahead and then hit notification. And then you want to scroll down. You want to be sure to show only while wearing a watch. And then scroll down. Make sure all these are on. Auto show details. So when you have notification, it will show you on the top drop down menu real quick to let you know the certain notification came in. And be sure to show while using your phone. Show phone notification on your watch while using your phone. Because if you don't turn that on, sometimes if you holding your phone while you do read something or Google something, and then your email came in, your text message came in, then your watch is not going to get alert. Okay, so be sure to turn that on. And also turn on the notification indicator, show indicator on watch face for unread notification. Okay, so be sure to turn those on. And then next thing you want to go is to go into manage notifications. You don't want to turn on all the apps. That's going to kill your watch battery. Okay. So just scroll down whatever the app that you want to notify on your watch. Got the alarm, Facebook. I'm not sure if I need the Galaxy Store, and then Gmail, incoming call. If you want to alert, get notification on your watch, you can turn on those Instagram. And then message. This is where the text message is at. Be sure to turn that on. So you want to come here and double check it, which one is off, and then turn it on. You can turn on the voicemail, weather, schedule, and whatever app that you need, okay? And then a voicemail. Okay, another thing is that if you want to go to your watch, and then there's like a email right here. If you click on that, it says you need to use email on your watch, install email on your phone. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Somehow with the Note 10, it does not come with it pre-installed. So as you see on your phone, it automatically take you to Samsung email. So in order for you to use that app on your watch, you gotta click on install on your phone. So just let it install. And then now we try to open it again on the watch and see. No email account set one up on your phone. So I check it. Okay, so I'm not sure. This is almost like a redundant, okay? Because with the Note 10, everything is under the Gmail account. I'm not sure why. So right here, you can set whatever email, Yahoo, or any other email that you have. So I'm just gonna set one real quick, okay? So I'm gonna click on next. Hopefully I can remember my password. Okay, so after that, just click on agree. All right. So let's check on the watch right now and see. So I got a notification already because I signed in with my account. It will alert me right now, see who signed in. Make sure it's legit. So let's go ahead and go on the phone right now and then click on that email app. So it says no email. So I guess it is loading. So as you can see, I got a notification right now saying that I just new sign in on email. Okay. So I can scroll down and read other email, PlayStation, iHeartDaddy, Pinterest, sales, and then some other. I got the Armadillo tag. Okay. Facebook. So just in case if you turn on those Gmail notification, and if that doesn't work out, then you will need to come to add this email app. Just tap on it, and then it will direct you to your phone and install from your Samsung Play Store. Okay. Hopefully, this will solve you guys' problem about the notification on your Samsung Galaxy Watch or your Active or your Active 2 or the previous Frontiers and all other models out for Samsung. And be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace. And if you like the Armadillo Tech case, I'll include a link that's going to show in below.